Are you excited for your first day of school? Wala tong mic, walang mic. It's okay. So, we're going to get all of your things.
Yes.
Mamimili na kami. Oh, bukas na yung pasukan niya, ngayon pala kami mamimili. Ang galing mo. Ang dami Mongol? Meron? Anong kailangan? Kailangan bang ganito flies? Ano ba kailangan? Alam ko mayroong scissor eh.
Mga color.
Tsaka ito, di ba kailangan to? Number 2?
Mm.
Ito. Ha? Altered colors. Ilan ba yung
Dami niya.
16 eh. Liliit naman nito.
Kaya pala sabi ni Ma'am Alin.
Acrylic colored marker.
Sabi ni Ma'am Alin.
Oh. Laser.
Mongol number 2.
Ito nga.
Liliit naman.
Yun talaga lang ng mga laki, no?
Dapat di ba ganito?
Hindi, oh.
Ang grade 1.
Asan yun?
Ito nga, ano ba nakalagay dyan?
Kala, here.
I'm getting so distracted from everything.
Distracted daw siya. Namimili.
I'm getting distracted by everything.
We only buy some what's on your list, Olo. These are all on your list.
Kailangan mo scissor.
Pencil.
Eraser.
Sharpener.
Sharpen.
Wait, this already has the razor.
Yung sharpener. May cover.
Put the eraser please.
This one, your sharpener.
Ayan na, may eraser na, oh.
This one, no need na.
Tapos may sharpener na.
2 in 1.
Magtipid-tipid tayo. Ano pa?
What's this?
Pencil case.
What's this?
Meron siyang pencil case, di ba?
Meron.
Meron siyang pencil case. Meron na. Meron na ng ano ng bag.
That one has an ant inside. That one has an ant inside.
Construction paper. Number 10. Ano yung, ba't mag-construction yun ako?
Ba't di natin dala kasi yung mic? Dapat dilan na natin yung mic eh.
Di ba sa kotse lang?
Oo.
Kunin ko, wait lang.
Kunin natin yung mic. Okay, so nakakuha na kami ng mic. Nakuha yung mic sa ano?
Yippee!
Sa kotse.
Sa kotse. It's the academica. Now I have my own mic.
And
And a
now,
little girl is just talking behind me. That's for the guests.
ayan. So meron ka ng scissor.
Yes, scissors. Meron scissors.
Ano, ito hindi mo kailangan pa to?
Pom-poms.
Post niyang araw, ya, una niyang binili.
Para saan ba yan?
Started with a flower.
12 colors. Ito, 12 colors.
Primary. Primary is 8.
I made a flower, Mom. It looks so cute.
Tama ba? Tapos,
May size eh, 1/2 by 12 eh.
ang,
Yung whiteboard.
ganun.
What are this?
Baka maliit lang talaga.
And what's this?
Wag yan, ayan ka na naman. Sa school ka na mag-concentrate, tapos ka na sa mga play-play, ha?
Okay. What are we going to buy next?
Ito na lang kaya, 16.
Do we need glue? Do we need something? Do we need anything?
Marami-rami. No? Para lahat ng kulay, no?
Ilan yan?
Whoa!
16.
This is so cool.
Ano yan? Ay, hindi yan kasama sa kung ano-ano. Kung ano yung mga pinagbibili. Parang dito original yung mga ano. Yung mga charger, no?
Do we need glue or something? I think we don't need glue. We don't need glue.
Beside.
Ha?
Mom,
Oh.
we don't need glue.
Ano, glue? Ah, parang kailangan mo ng glue. Wait lang. Asa si
I find
Daddy?
it. Ayan. Green.
Ba't green?
Pang college yan ah.
I don't know.
Paper glue.
Ang laki naman.
We need glue.
Wala nang 8x yun.
We need glue.
Wala na.
Whiteboard.
Glue ba kailangan?
Crayola dapat yung ano,
Crayola? Ayun nga, Crayola.
16 na.
Crayola. Na brand? Hi. Michaela, come here.
Ang picture.
Wait lang.
Fine. Thank you.
Thank you.
Apo. Say thank you.
Thank you.
This is a spray can.
Crayons lang, hindi naman Crayola. Crayons of pieces.
Ayun, preferably yung brand.
Asan ba Crayola? Ito Crayola.
Oo nga, yung
Ayun na,
Are these just
16. Tapos,
Do we need paints? I think
acrylic.
we don't need paints,
Ano
right?
to?
We don't,
Acrylic. Colored marker.
anong kulay?
acrylic.
12 pieces.
Acrylic colored marker.
This is kind of like makeup.
Saan daw? Ang hirap pala nito maghahanap-hanap ng mga kung ano-ano. Tapos ang liit pa, oh. Ang liit pa.
College ng college.
Dapat inuuna mo na itong nandito, oh. Long folder. One piece.
Oh, these are cute. Kulay natural.
Is that ball pen?
Ilang kulay yan?
12 pieces.
Go here.
Isang
No,
set.
that doesn't match. I think it can
Ayan,
go here.
hindi ba yung double tip?
Oh, this one doesn't go here. This one goes here.
What's that?
This one goes here, right? Right. I want to see this. What is this called?
Yan yan. Ano ba yan? Acrylic yan.
Stop it, stop it. Wait a minute.
Itong long folder. Clear long folder envelope without handle. Hindi kumpleto. Kailangan talaga natin punta. Malaki din naman to eh. Kaso lang, nagpasukan na kasi kaya naubo siguro. Grade yung pad. Yung sulatan, oh. One piece.
I don't know. These are just like toys.
Label with
Yes,
ano,
scissors and
homework
everything.
folder. Ayan, yan, yan. Yan. Tapos,
They're
clear long plastic envelope.
very, very cute.
Ganito.
But it
Ah,
has to
wala.
be in the shape, right? I think this was cute. First
So, oh, meron kang first aid, may grooming kit. Oh, magtututbrush ka ha. See?
Parang dapat bilan natin toothbrush nun. Parang gumawa ka na lang ng grooming kit. Ganito lang naman pala laman, oh. Face towel, toothpaste,
Oo, ako na nang gagawa.
sanitizer.
Ako
May
nang
bulk
gagawa.
ng gano'n, no?
Oo.
Wala siyang acrylic.
right here. It's the peacock.
Doon, meron din sa kabila eh.
Peacock.
Pupunta tayo sa kabilang ano. National.
Oh, it's animal. Bye.
Okay. Ah. nandito na kami
Hi,
sa bahay. Nakabili na kami ng mga gamit.
I'm gonna play this very game.
Alas 12 na matulog ka na.
Oh no!
No, huwag ka magba-music ha. Nagbablog ako. Show it to them na tanggal na yung ipin mo. Wala ka ng ipin.
2.
Nabunod na meron na siya, bago na.
I moved it into shape because it was here.
Ano, wala na yung ipin niya. Bago na, permanent na. You need to brush that, ha?
Before it was here, right?
Mm-mm.
It was here.
Oo.
It's
Sa sunod
this
naman
now.
yun, nasa taas na. Ayan, oh. Look na, sleep na tayo. Are you excited for tomorrow?
4.
Are you excited for tomorrow?
Yes. Yes. And my eyes. In the center, my eyes doesn't look like eyeballs.
Ano yan?
They look like squares.
Sige na, dali na, tutulog ka na. Good night, everyone. Good night. Tulog na kami.
Bye.
Maaga pa. Maaga pa bukas. The struggle begins in 5 hours. Alas 12 na, alas 5 gigising na. Bye, good night. Ay, nagpakulo na agad ako ng tubig. Excited na.
Tulalay na.
Wala kasing hot shower dito sa bahay na to. Papakulo ng tubig. Bye-bye na.
Good night, everyone.
Huwag ka na, tulog na.